In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a template on Squarespace, a task that can significantly refresh your website's look and feel. So, let's get started on that transformation. First, as you begin, head over to your Squarespace homepage. This is the central hub of your website where you can access all of your site's settings and configurations. You'll notice a menu on the left side. This is your gateway to customizing your experience. Now look for the website section in that menu. Give it a click. This is where all the magic happens, as you'll find the styles and design settings for your current template here. Next, direct your attention to the Styles tab within the website settings. This area is essential because it houses all the customization tools you'll need to personalize your site's aesthetics, ensuring that it aligns perfectly with your brand identity. Once you're in Styles, you'll find an option labeled Themes. Give that a click. Themes are the backbone of your design elements, so choose one that resonates well with your intended presentation and audience. Feel free to browse through the different options until you find one that catches your eye. After settling on a theme, it's time to adjust your font styles. Fonts are crucial as they significantly impact readability and the overall vibe of your site. Navigate to the Fonts tab now and choose something that fits your aesthetic while ensuring that the text remains clear and legible. Once your fonts are set, head over to the Colors section. Here, you can define your website's color palette, which should be consistent with your branding. Select a colorway that enhances the visual appeal of your site, making sure it complements your content and theme. Next, let's move on to adjusting your buttons. In the Buttons section, select a design that is functional yet aesthetic. The right button design enhances user navigation and makes calls to action more effective. Then, focus your attention on the Forms section. Forms are essential for capturing user information and feedback, so select a form style that is straightforward and user-friendly. It should not only fit the overall theme, but also encourage interactions. Finally, after you've made all these adjustments to your theme, fonts, colors, buttons, and forms, it's important to save your work. Click on the Save button, ensuring that all your changes are applied and that your website's new look is secured. And there you have it. With a few simple steps, you've transformed the entire aesthetic of your Squarespace website. Remember, you can revisit any of these options to make further adjustments as your style and needs evolve. Thanks for following along, and happy designing!